Okay, let's do this sleep first. In here. Oh no.
You're joking.
I'm trying.
I'm joking.
Aja.
Oh. Oh.
That was a fail.
Almost
done.
It like stuns him for a
Jeez,
second.
we're almost done. Why do you
So
have
whatever
such
he's
hair
feeling,
like
he's
this?
not feeling right away.
Sorry. Why don't they make baby clothes easier to put on? Like, just make the whole thing like
Just make the whole thing snaps.
yeah.
Like
what
a
is
like a
this?
hospital gown.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Almost. Oh, now he's getting upset. Okay, you can lift him, and if you lift him, I'll just pull it down. Sorry,
Do you have a timer on this?
Okay, done.
No, I gotta seal it.
You don't have to seal it. He likes a baby.
Yeah, he likes it open.
He likes it.